What's up, Bender fam? Steven?
Dylan?
From Trailbenders Overland.
We just pulled into Garth's Boulder Garden just outside Joshua Tree.
Blackstone hooked us up with some really cool gear that's not even out yet, and we wanted to show you.
I'll be putting together a veggie meal.
And I'm going to be doing the pulled pork sandwiches with roasted potatoes. So, as you guys know, I've been using the 17-inch Blackstone griddle for a little over a year now, and Blackstone just sent us out the newest addition to their Adventure Ready product line. Has a 17-inch griddle, also has a burner stove, and comes with a fryer. I got potatoes going, and Dylan's chopping veggies.
Just prepping some onions, bell peppers, mushroom. Will go great with the potatoes. So we have some plant-based sausages going. Let's get these veggies on here. Beautiful. This 17-inch is perfect.
Jack Daniel's Tennessee Honey, Bbq Pulled Pork. Can't go wrong with that. Whiskey burger seasoning. Move those potatoes. So how was it?
It turned out great.
It did turn
It was
out
awesome.
good. Thank you so much, Blackstone, for sending this out to us. If you guys want to know more about their products and what they have to offer, we'll put a link down in the description below.
If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more of our content as it's released, hit that bell. And consider joining the Bender fam by hitting that subscribe button.
Also, we're on Instagram at Trailbenders Overland. Look us up there.
Check it out.
We post daily. So, thank you so much for watching. Steven?
Dylan?
Trailbenders Overland. So how was it?
I was wiping my nose. All right, here we go.